Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this ULANZI phone selfie. Again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here this is not a sponsored vlog, okay? So we'll see. I ordered a ULANZI selfie phone mount, okay? Again, this is gonna be exciting. We'll see how it works. And wow, okay. Ta-da! So there you go, guys. So again, this is like for your phone, you're like a shutter kind of. So again, we're going to unbox this. I'm so excited. There you go. So guys, I just got this one from Amazon. And again, that's what I've said. This is not a sponsored vlog, okay? So what's in the box? There you go. I got this like a magnetic, I think. Looks like a magnetic. No, doesn't magnet. Okay, whatever. So there you go. There you go. So again, I don't know. It needs a battery or something. But again, this is about almost $30 for this. Okay, yeah, I got it here. So looks like too small for iPhone. There you go. So it's over here. But yeah, I'm just scared about it. Might drop or something, but again, I got the shutter. I don't know. I think we're going to okay, I have no clue what's going on here. So it's like basically if you're going to put it on your phone, you just magnet that one, and then I don't know what's the purpose of that, but again, it's a really nice one, actually. So you can put your flash or something, but I don't know if this would be. I don't know if there's a battery for this. I know that this is a shutter. They have a shutter. It's a magnetic. There you go. It's like a magnetic for that shutter that you can. But there's no battery. I think this is you have to charge this one, and then we'll see what's in the manual. Oops. So yeah, so can remove that one shutter. So it is a Bluetooth. So hopefully this one, it comes with charge or something, but there's no power on, power off. Maybe that's the one. Okay, so there you go. So you just press this button, and then we're going to on the Bluetooth here. There you go. Bluetooth on. So it's MA35. So it's really quick, actually. The pairing is no problem. It pairs right away. So again, we're gonna try this one and put it here, and we'll see how it works. So basically right now it pairs already. So, and then we're gonna take some selfie. We're gonna see selfie here. I'm gonna press this one. Yeah, there you go. it presses. Yeah, there you go. So there you go. So again, I just press this one on the bottom here. That's the camera. Smile. Oops, that's a video. But again, it works really. So yeah, for again, it doesn't. Yeah, it's really, really strong, really strong, really strong. But again, you know, it's you can do a selfie if you want to, like a selfie here, and then there you go. So I took a picture. See that? So, but again, it's a really nice one. Just and it's all plastic, you know. ULANZI, I think it's a China made, but again, yeah, it's a really nice one. Easy to pair on your phone, and there's no battery. You have here, if you want a selfie stick, put your selfie stick here, and then take some pictures or whatever, and then that's it. It's very simple, really simple. About $28, I think, for this one, but it's really light. And again, only this one is your remote, and then the rest are the holder, you know. And yeah, no complaint for the price. What you get is what you pay is what you get, right? So that's the thing. And again, that you can go for selfie, take some pictures, blah blah, and you know. So the only thing is that it's sitting here on this handle here. It sits on that one, so it's gonna be nice if it's like that, right? But this one here, it's flat, that it goes to your it's straight through from here to the bottom, right? When you look at it. But again, what do you expect like this? And again, it's for, you know, when you take some vlog or something, it's gonna be nice that you're holding vlog like this, you know, like vlogging. Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing, guys? So, and then if you want, you can do it like this, you know. Do it like that one. So it depends how you're going to position if you're gonna show some vlogging, blah 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 blah. So vlog. So but again, guys, price range, it's okay. Not that expensive. Again, it's all plastic, no metal, and then they have that magnetic here. So every time it's gonna be clipped. That's it. And then the USB-C, it's gonna be here. And then that's it. I don't know how long it takes to hold the battery for this, but again, that's about there. The only thing is they don't have even a cable. They don't have a cable. So there's no Type-C cable here. I don't see anything. This is the only package that I have. So means that I have to buy a USB-C to plug this one in, no? But again, yeah, it's ULANZI MA35. There you go. So, but again, guys, again, my perspective, it's okay for the price range of less than $30. And again, the grip was really good. It really grip your hands here. And again, it's too light, so it's good for vlogging. And yeah, I think that's about it. So again, if you have any question, just comment below. And I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing here. And yeah, so that's about it. So again, thank you for watching, guys. NoyTebs here. God bless. Have a wonderful day.